Okay, yung ginawa ko kanina gagawin ko ulit. Yung mga kanta, joke lang. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayo? Sino ang mga nanalo sa pag-games natin kanina? Wow, congratulations! Grabe.
Ano sabi niyo?
Ay,
Pogi daw.
maliit na bagay. Thank you po.
Small things. Okay, Darren, makikipagkulitan muna tayo with you, okay? So we have a couple of questions for you. So far, yung experience mo with 7-Eleven City Cafe, and of course, your time with the Darren Addicts, how is it so far?
Of course, it's been such a blast. Actually, ever since naging coffee bestie po ako ng City Cafe, I've been having so much fun. Tsaka grabe yung addiction ko talaga sa kape. And it's always nice to have such a convenience of being able to get up and get my coffee on the way to showtime or on the way to work and between breaks. So, lagi po yun. Lalo na kapag may mga ganap ako na katabi lang 7-Eleven, talagang sinasadya namin para kumuha ng kape sa City Cafe. So, ayun po. And I'm so grateful kasi grabe yung, I'm so spoiled with the 7-Eleven family and the City Cafe family. So, maraming salamat po.
I'm just so curious, since your face is all over all the 7-Elevens, anong nararamdaman mo pag nakikita mo yan?
Kinikilig ako. Parang grabe, no? Alam mo talaga eh. But I would have never imagined na yung mukha ko mailalagay sa cup. Alam niyo po yan, like, that's such a big thing for me. And seeing the standees in 7-Eleven stores and stuff like that. So maraming salamat po. Again, parang I feel so spoiled. I'm very grateful for everything that the 7-Eleven family has been giving to me. So maraming salamat. I love you guys so much. Ayun. Pinagmamalaki ko talaga yung Darren Cup sa pamilya ko. Kasi isa-isa silang umuwi galing Canada. So I'm like, oh, look at this cup. Mga ganun. Like, I have my face on a cup. Isn't that crazy? So parang, ang galing. Nagmamayabang ako. So ayun. Salamat po. Yun nga, nung nag 7-Eleven intrusion kami sa showtime, lahat sila, mga bestie ko, si best friend Ryan, yung the one I did my intrusion with, they were collecting the Darren Cups kahit nakakuha na sila ng kape, gusto lang nila ng remembrance ng mukha ko na, cup na may mukha ko. So, ayun, maraming salamat po.
That's such a cute, moment every time you see a cup. And your friends supported also, diba?
Yes.
At kasing height mo pa yung standee mo.
Yes, it's true to life. True to size, yeah.
So every time you guys are out and about, make sure to tag, Darren, that you're drinking from his cup because he's so proud of it. And
Yes.
taking a photo with his standee. Okay, so Darren, we are so curious. Kanina nagpapatrivia kami kung anong mga favorite food mo, yung ginagawa mo for Christmas.
Yes.
But this year, what is your plan? Or do you have a tradition when it comes to Christmas?
Well, usually I enjoy going back to Canada because of the white Christmas, yung may snow, malamig. Pero this year po kasi ikakasal isa sa mga pinsan ko. So everyone is flying in from different countries, Canada, US, Thailand, dito sa Pilipinas. So, ayun, parang reunion kasi as we grow older, hindi natin namamalayan, unti-unti nang nagkakaroon ng sariling pamilya yung mga iba't ibang mga pinsan and like people are migrating. So it's nice that this year we get to come together as a family, mga relatives, and spend Christmas here in the Philippines all together po. Yes.
So you guys are right, traveling is really his thing, diba? Kasi
Yeah.
all of them are from all over the world. Okay, so speaking of traveling, we want to take you to a new place right now.
Wow! Ayun naman, grabe naman.
Diba?
Bumili pa kayo ng plane ticket para sa akin talaga.
Sa Manila, lilipat tayo! Okay, lilipat tayo. Kasi alam namin may Darren's Brew na pala.
Yes po.
Oo. So, remember you said before, Sweet Black was your favorite. Okay, so
Yes.
ngayon, we have something new for all of you.
Okay.
O, diba? Sige, to unveil that, lilipat tayo sa coffee station. Let's go!
Let's go!
Show us the way.
Darren's Brew, ayun pa rin. Talagang super favorite ko po yung iced sweet black. So I will show you. We have to get an iced cup, 7-Eleven iced cup. Salamat po.
Okay, here we go. By the way, sige Darren, para hindi ko mahirapan, what are you doing?
I'm trying to open the cup. So wait lang.
Pero madali lang talaga mag-brew ng sarili niyong mga mixes.
So here we go. We get an iced Americano.
So he is going to just use the machine. Ito yung
Ay,
brew
ang dami,
station.
sorry. Ang dami ko palang napindot.
Nag-mix na
And then,
siya.
okay na siya. It's still going. So we're just gonna press the iced Americano or the brewed coffee option.
It's super easy, right?
Yes.
Anyone can do it.
Except me, apparently. I don't know what's going on. Parang iba yung iba yung touchscreen dito. It's an updated version. Updated version po talaga siya. Okay, so ako talaga yung mali. Sorry guys. Hindi, pero
Hindi
ito
ka
po siya.
na-update.
So when it says 100%, tapos na po siya. Oh, okay. Ang galing! Ang high-tech, di ba guys?
High-tech nga siya.
Pinapakita pa dito yung pagsayaw ko. Okay.
Oh my, you are dancing.
Your coffee is brewing, please wait. Oh. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm gonna choose my syrup. So for the sweet brew, I usually do the hazelnut. You guys don't have to, you can also use caramel both.
So once he mixes the syrups, it can create a lot of different drinks.
Hello, hello. Parang mali talaga yung
Hindi, kasi,
yung paggawa.
kasi ganito yun.
Kasi ilang beses kong
Oh,
pinindot.
may different sizes kasi yan. Tinodo-todo mo.
Sorry po. Ayun la.
Ganyan siya.
Over sa coffee. Salamat po.
Overflowing with love yung pinapakita ni Darren. Oh, so... One lang kasi muna, Darren.
Okay, so we will do this again, you guys.
Take two, take two.
Yes.
This is Darren's Brew. Palakpakan niyo guys! Darren's Brew!
Tinatanggalan lang natin ang laundry.
By the way, it's available in all 4,000 7-Eleven stores nationwide.
Alright, totoo na ito. Ay, ka-cancel muna. Ang daming beses ko talaga kasi pinindot. Sorry po.
Isang best lang kasi di.
Nagmamadali.
Alam namin endorser ka, pero you gotta be patient
I
also.
know, I'm so sorry. Alright! Here we go. So we're going to make the Darren Sweet Brew. Ang pinipili ko po, iced Americano or the brewed coffee option. So we're gonna go for iced Americano.
Di
So
favorite
you
ko
only
yan.
click once.
Only click once, you guys. I'm so sorry.
So you like the iced coffee? You
Yes
like
po, iced. Okay din naman kapag, if I'm feeling a bit under the weather, sometimes I'll go for the hot brewed coffee, hot Americano din po. So, it depends also.
So iced is the way. Ito maganda, kita yung percentage niya.
Yes. Ayun nga, yung nakita ko kanina, sabi, akala ko ibang percentage.
Yeah.
So it's almost at 100%, so you can see that it's brewing, it's making your drink. And again, ito na nga po, we have the caramel syrup.
Now the syrup and all the syrups here, when you mix it with our drinks, ayan, na-elevate natin siya na naging macchiato. Umiiba talaga yung drinks. So, bahala kayo kung anong syrup ang gusto nyo idagdag sa inyong coffee. But ito ang mga mixes that will make it extra delicious. Yee! Sarap!
Amazing.
So what do you call this drink?
It's the Darren Sweet Brew. Yeah, Darren Sweet.
O, nung nilagay niyo, nag-full na siya. Siyempre, cover mo. So this is Darren's Sweet Brew, made by him. Definitely. Magkano po daw yun? Isip, magsisip na sila lahat.
Ay, ginawa ko Michael straw. Sorry. Ayan na. I'm happy again. Nakita na ako nito bago ako sumalang ulit. So I feel like I'm really alive, alert, and enthusiastic for today. So you guys can make your own version of this at any 7-Eleven City Cafe spot. And kung maabutan niyo po yung bagong machine, huwag niyo akong gayahin na ilang beses pinindot yung iced Americano. Ayun! Yung mukha ko nandun sa machine, ang galing! That is so amazing! That's crazy! Ay! Buong ano yun, dadalhin ko talaga sa 7-Eleven. Nakita ko yun. Yeah. Pag mamayabang ko na naman yung mukha ko na nandito sa 7-Eleven. But of course, I hope you guys can try this. And My other favorite flavor is also the French vanilla. You can make it into a Spanish latte with the syrups. So it's really up to you how you're gonna experiment with your coffee. Sa mga hindi rin po pwedeng magkape masyado with palpitations and stuff like that. We also have hot chocolate, which is also another classic. It's another favorite of mine. Kapag medyo nakadami na po ako ng kape, doon ako sa hot chocolate pumupunta. Pwede nyo rin siyang gawing iced with our iced cup. So, yeah, it's may mga taga-Visayas ba dito na dala natin? Nasubukan mo yung matcha? Yes! Isa yun sa paborito ko, yung nga lang wala pa siya dito sa Metro Manila. But I'm so lucky because I got to taste it, I got to post it. So ayun, so may mga Daranatics po na taga-Visayas dito. Grabe, 7-Eleven matcha sa City Cafe. Ayun.
Alright, can we see you sip Darren's brew? Come on guys, take a picture of Darren's sweet brew!